Hello, it's Bernadette Jansen from the School of Renovating, and today I want to talk about the one thing that stops most people from moving forward and taking action on their dreams of renovating, and that's confidence or lack of it. So this affects many people who've spent a lot of money on training and education and are still not taking the action to getting the results they want. So knowledge isn't everything. You need a little bit more than that, and that is confidence. And so I want to just give you some suggestions for being able to move forward. So the first one is to use a buyer's agent to help you source the right property. So that's probably one of the key decisions, making a profit from renovating. So getting a professional to help you with this will help you overcome that first hurdle. Of course, you need to be careful who you choose. You need to make sure that you choose someone who's an experienced buyer's agent in renovating. The second thing you need to do is to maybe work with someone that's more experienced than you, that's actually done some renovations if you haven't done one before, and maybe partner up so that you can actually borrow some confidence from them. And the third thing that you can do is actually get a mentor. So someone who's walking the walk, who's done what you're wanting to do, who can help you with those judgment calls. Renovating is about making decisions, and if you don't have the experience and the background to actually make those decisions, often you can set yourself up to fail. So just to repeat, three things. Firstly, use an experienced renovation buyer's agent to source your property. Secondly, work with someone else who has renovating experience. And thirdly, if those two things fail, get a mentor. I hope that helped.